Excited than both of us together. You guys can talk about all day. Ready? Gotta reach inside.
Okay, reach
gotta
in
find
there.
it.
Okay.
It's two more.
What's two more? Oh, the intestines are coming
Twins.
It's a girl?
It's a girl.
I got it right.
Wonder boy.
Look for another pumpkin. Maybe there's two of them.
There's two pumpkins.
Hey,
There's two pumpkins.
That was priceless.
Salad, chicken
What is it?
Is that it's all that?
Take a picture.